Crocodile, crocodile, croco. Eyes, two eyes, and nose, and teeth. You see crocodile teeth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ching. And then close. And playing the teeth and other close. Eat finger and fin. Ball fin. Wow. And then big mouth. Doggy, hello. Your teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big mouth. Wow. And then here down teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice face and nice smile and crocodile very lonely and then smiling face. And then close teeth, big teeth, close. Oh, hello, how are you? I'm Doggy. Yes, I'm playing for you. And teeth is too big. Close open, close open. Close open, close open, close open. Wow. Very fun, and close. And then, hello crocodile. Smile please, open. Wow, big. Big. And then big nose, big mouth, too much. Oh, and red hair, same hair, white teeth, and white teeth, nice teeth, and nice teeth. And then here, smiling face, no angry, because hungry, I'm hungry. Okay, you hungry? Okay, fine. And in here, okay, I give you fruits. Okay, wait, I give you fruits and half fruits. Guava, big guava whole, and then another, and then I cut for you. Okay, I cut guava for you, my friend crocodile and Doggy. And Doggy, wow, nice guava, white. Wow. And then for you, Oi, for you, eat for you. Okay, yes. And then for you, Doggy, for you. Okay, and then eat. Wow, nice. Okay, and then nice. Smiling, nice. And then Doggy so far, nice. Smiling face, and then smile. Nose, not too much smile, crocodile. And Doggy, too much smile.